15 miles an hour just in gear.
I know.
Trying to get some water.
Mighty bow.
Got too much.
How'd it go? You gonna handle it? Yeah, good. We're gonna need your steering rope, Mom.
Get a rope on him.